Hello there, my name is Jess, and if you are new to my channel, I make very fun, very helpful, and very creative videos for anyone and everyone with naturally curly hair. So if that seems of interest to you, definitely consider subscribing because you will fit right in here. Okay, so you're probably wondering why my hair is looking like this. Is this a new hairstyle? What's going on? And as you probably can tell by the title, I am going to be trying out a twist out today. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these twists, what products I use, and showing you the results. This is a simple twist out, doesn't take many products, or you don't have to be talented or anything like that. So this is really beginner level. This is my first time trying it, so if it's your first time or you've been considering doing a twist out, this should be pretty helpful for you because it's really simple, basic, and quick, which I appreciate, so hopefully you appreciate that as well. We're just gonna get into the video so we all can see how this twist out turns out. I'm crossing my fingers and hoping it turns out right. So if you guys are curious to see how my first ever twist out turns out, then let's go. Let's get this party started. This twist out party started. Hey, 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 hey. Twisted them into like this little crown thing I have going on. Hopefully when I take these out, they turned out well. Obviously, since this is my first time doing a twist out, I obviously had to go and watch some videos on how to get a twist out of other, you know, experts. Well, I've seen a lot of girls, like, they will put like oil on their hands or something like that while they're twisting it out just so it can reduce the frizz. So I'm gonna test that out and see if that works. So I have my olive oil right here. I still haven't put it in a container. I'm just, you know, it doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. It won't be as messy if you put it in a container first, but. All right, so I'm just gonna take these out right now. This is like the winter time, so I'm really trying to be like very nice to my hair because I feel like your hair needs extra care and extra love during the winter time. I forgot to mention that I put this on. I didn't show it last night, but I had this Grace Allier. I don't really know how to pronounce her name. I feel like I should because I've had this for a while. And it's lined on the inside with satin. I use it and my hair does not feel like dry or anything like that, so that's what I did. But I'm gonna put a little bit of this oil on my hands. Actually, I'm getting hot right now, so I'm about to take off my jacket. So I got a little bit of the oil, rub it all over my hands. Is this how you guys do it? Yeah, so my hands have some oil, so ooh, I'm gonna rub it all through my twist. Okay, hopefully that helps and my hands are nice and oily. To my knowledge, from what I've learned from watching other naturalistas who are more pro at these type of things. So I'm gonna slowly undo the twist and taking my time. That is what I've learned, okay? So we're gonna be patient, starting from the bottom. Okay, is this how it's supposed to look? I feel like it looks pretty good. It's pretty defined. What? Okay. I'm not quite sure if I should separate them now or wait. I forget. Now I forgot. I need help. You know what? I'm gonna focus on separating them after because I don't want their like I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna separate them at the end. This is how it's looking so far. I feel like a pro, right? I think. No, I'm gonna be confident in this, okay? If you don't know what you're doing, at least be confident in it and it'll make it seem like you know what you're doing. Alright, so I'm gonna stop talking because I feel really awkward talking. I'm just gonna cue the music so you guys don't have to hear my annoying talking. Cue the music! So this is how it looks so far. So I'm going to I'm gonna give it a little definition. I'm gonna separate my hair now, so it can get, you know, some volume and stuff. I'm just gonna pull them apart, and it's important to be gentle with this part too. Yeah, like that. I should probably start at the bottom. Ooh, this is so cute though. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna start from the bottom because I think it would be easier to do that. Oh, also, before I forget, I heard that once you twist them, you should like finger curl it. I've seen other natural girls do it, so we're just gonna be testing out the things that people do, natural girls do when they do their twist, and just see. I feel like the bottom is definitely more like frizzier and stuff. Is that normal? I don't know, or maybe I did something wrong. Okay, I feel like it's helping. The little finger coiling towards the end, I feel like it's helping. Okay, so this side I'm finished with. I like it so far. I'm so excited to see the finished result now. I have completed the separation. What do you guys think so far? Is this normal looking? I'm actually liking it. I mean, so far so good. Definitely, I would say this side is not as defined as this side. I'm gonna go in with a pick and fluff out my hair so I can have some more volume. And I want like big hair. Hopefully, the thing is, I don't want to pick too little and I don't want to pick out my hair too much. And then obviously, if I pick it out too little, it won't be as voluminous and big as I would want it. But if I pick it out too much, then my definition is going to turn into frizz, and that's what I don't want. So I'm going to just try to be careful. So from what I've seen, going back to my references, you get your pick and then you go underneath like that, and then you push out. So you're going into your scalp. Well, obviously not into it, but you're going grazing on your scalp and then pushing it outward, pushing the hair outward. Like you're kind of trying to lift the hair up from your scalp, if that makes sense. Like you're giving your hair a boob lift, okay? That's what you're doing. We're boob lifting our hairs to make it a lot bigger and better. Found a little twist. Do you guys always like miss a twist or miss a piece? Man, for any of you who have more hair or longer hair or just thicker hair than me, bless your little hearts, okay? Wow, I feel like my hair's definitely gotten bigger. I look like a whole different gal. Who are you? Especially with these hoop earrings, like. Alright, it's so weird how something so little can make you change so much. Okay, anyways, and lastly, I'm going to fix my edges with some EcoStyle Gel, of course, and some brush, and a brush. Or actually, I may use my toothbrush, my dirty toothbrush, yeah. This is like my favorite part, because I don't know, I just feel like it completes the look.